What's up, guys? Back with another video. Working on this Mustang today. We're getting away from the vans. What we're doing today, well, over the next couple of days, our radiator support, it's crunched in pretty bad, so I got one coming from CJ Pony Parts. I believe it's where I bought it from, or Summit Racing. It's one of them websites. But I'm also going to be taping up all this stuff and scuffing it, sanding it, getting all the stuff that's peeling. I'll sand it, I'll bag the engine, bag the car, take the hood off, get all this orange blacked out, because it's time. I should have done it when I painted the car. But information on it, it's an 87 Mustang. It was original 4-cylinder. It was this creamish color here, and somebody painted it this orange, and it was a 4-cylinder. I've done a lot of work to this thing. It's got a I forgot the name of it, K-member in there. I forget who makes it. Team Z, I believe. Tubular K-member. It's got coilover suspension in the front. It's got the 355 gears in the rear. It's a stock rear end besides the gears. Ain't nothing special. Drum brakes. The inside is pretty clean. Seats need to be cleaned, but it's tan on tan car. It was also originally a automatic. Here it's a manual. Done the radio and thermos or whatever, the control swap. I painted this car probably, I'm gonna say 2 years ago. Took it all apart. Besides, I had took everything off but the doors. Left the glass in. I took the side glass out here. Did the best I could. Like this stuff, I should have painted it, but it doesn't look that bad. I've changed out the hood on it since then. But I'm gonna set up a tripod. I'm gonna pull this radiator out and just get started on this thing. Alright, I'm gonna jack it up. Well, I might wait till later. Wait till later to jack it up. I'm gonna drain the radiator real quick. It's out of the way. It sucks. Oh, my brother stole my battery. You can see I have to cut these wires. It sucks, but it is what it is. I gotta get fixed. I also have a new harmonic balancer I was gonna put on, but I'm not sure if I'll want to do it or not. We'll see. Alright, I think I got this radiator ready to come out. You guys can see the damage is pretty bad. I'll tell the story later on. It's pretty embarrassing, but I'm gonna get that fixed. Right here it says 0.0015 ounces. Here's a better view of it. Probably be cutting it out tomorrow. Waiting on the new one to come in. It should be here tomorrow. The brother's Corvette you just seen. still waiting on my radiator support to come in, but in the meantime, I'm gonna tape up my engine bay, sand as much as I can, scuff as much as I can, tape it all up, get all this orange blacked out. Definitely isn't perfect, but it looks a lot better than all that orange. Got it all cut off. I just went straight off there. You see. Same on this side. There's the new one. The grinder will make you the welder you want.
You mean to tell me I could have done this at both of my Mustangs?
Yeah, you could have. that's gonna be it for this week, guys. I'll finish the car next week, in next week's video. I picked these seats up yesterday night. I'm gonna get those cleaned up and throw them up in the van.